How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist obsessed with you in 7 ways. That is the title of this video. We know that narcissists lack empathy, and this makes them extremely controlling and manipulative. And that's why narcissists are said to be masters of the manipulation game. They are experts at presenting themselves in the best possible light to ensure that they get what they want from others with little effort. That is part of the manipulation. Now, if you're trying to make a narcissist obsessed with you, especially after a breakup, it's gonna be very tough. It's difficult. And even making a narcissist obsessed generally is not a piece of cake. So when you are dating a narcissist, you need to know that they're not easy to break up with. And narcissists are extremely, very, very, very manipulative. So these people need constant attention, constant validation. They must have their way. They need to win. They're very arrogant. And they use and misuse others. At first they appear very charming. But generally narcissists, being in a relationship with them, it's a full-time job. It's tough to be in a relationship with a narcissist, and breaking up with them is even tougher. But how do you make a narcissist obsessed with them? Because you either make them obsessed with you or you get obsessed with them. Now choose for yourself. So to make the narcissist obsessed with you, number 1, appear and look your best. That is one of the tricks to making a narcissist obsessed with you. Yes, they are very charming at first, but they use that charm to get what they want out of you, out of that relationship they have with you. They don't care about how it affects you in the long run. So if you want to make the narcissist addicted to you, obsessed with you, then look sharp, look smart to attract that narcissist, whether it's a narcissistic ex or not narcissist in your life. If you want them obsessed over you, remember, narcissists are attracted to people who are very confident, people who have a strong sense of self. So if you want to get the narcissist's attention, you need to look your best, dress to kill, dress sharply, use some powerful makeups, and make the narcissist obsessed with you. Narcissists care so much about image and about how appearances, so they will want you around them so that you can boost their self-image. Now, to make the narcissist obsessed with you, don't commit. Narcissist's main mission in your life is to destroy you. It is to harm you. It is to hurt you. So if you want to disappear from a narcissistic relationship, do not commit at all. Because narcissists being in that relationship is not easy. Narcissists have so many bad traits that make them very difficult to get close to. So if you want them obsessed over you, it's gonna be easy instead of the other way around. So if you're dating a narcissist, do not commit. When I talk about commitment, I mean do not promise the narcissist to be faithful or to be loyal, because it will make them give up on you. They'll feel they've already won you. If you need the narcissist closer to you, let them obsess over you by not committing. Again, make the narcissist obsessed over you by not getting involved with other people. Get involved with other people more, because the narcissists don't want you to get involved with other people. They want you to only focus on them alone. So to make them obsessed over you, surround yourself with trusted friends, trusted family members. Get involved with other people. In short, it's gonna make them get obsessed over you. They will be jealous. They want you to focus on them alone. Narcissists don't care about your needs, and most of the time they are emotionally unavailable, and they are very critical of their partners, and they do that to maintain control over you. So when you're involved with other people, it makes the narcissist know that they have no full control over you. You'll make them get hooked on you, and they'll be interested in you. It's because they'll be knowing maybe you're flirting with other people, maybe you're seeing someone else. It irritates them. To make them obsessed over you, be a little bit arrogant. Narcissists are drawn to people of higher status. They're very arrogant, and they also have a fragile ego that can easily be bruised. So it's good to know how to handle narcissists when you're in a relationship with them, because arrogance is not attractive. But with a narcissist, arrogance makes them obsessed over you. So, to make a narcissist obsessed over you, be a little bit busy. Spend very little time with them. So pretend that you don't have enough time with the narcissist. It's going to make the narcissist interested in you, to create that sense of mystery. They'll be curious to know what's going on with your life. Don't give compliments to the narcissist. When you ignore the narcissist by not giving them compliments, they'll be obsessed over you. Because narcissists hate to be ignored. How dare you ignore them? When you ignore the narcissist, it's like you've broken that narcissistic spell they have on you. And that's why it's often said that the best way to deal with a narcissist is to ignore them. So ignore their text messages, their calls, their messages. Narcissists are very insecure people. They need constant attention. And once you deny them that, by ignoring them, they will hunt you for that attention. They will hunt you for that validation. Remember one thing about narcissists. They are very charming and persuasive. They are master manipulators. They'll manipulate you to get what they want. So let the narcissist chase you. They think they deserve special treatment. They want the world to revolve around them. They are entitled people. The other thing about narcissists, you can discard them. When you discard the narcissist, they will be obsessed over you. How dare you discard them? They will be mad. They will be angry. So, they will be obsessed over you. They will want to hoover you back. So to make a narcissist obsessed over you, be impressive. Appear self-obsessed. Be talented, be skilled. Give the narcissist some silent treatment. Now, narcissists are very competitive and they want to win at all costs. So, let them chase you and win you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video widely to all those who may need it. Remember, knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you.